Welcome to Bhavana's Kitchen. In this episode, I'm going to show you two quick recipes: vegetable biryani and paneer butter masala. So let's get started. To prepare mixed vegetable biryani, take 1 cup of basmati rice. Wash rice several times until water runs clear and keep aside. Here I have some whole spices: bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves, and star anise. Here I have the spices sieve infuser. Spices sachets can be used. Break some of the whole spices like so, and I'm going to place all the spices into this spices sieve infuser so that I don't have to keep looking for them once my rice is done. So just to simply add all the spices in it and then just lock it and keep on side. Next, add 3 cups of water into the pot. 1 more cup. Add salt, the spice infuser, and rice. And cook rice until it is almost 60 to 70% cooked. Be sure not to overcook the rice. When the rice is almost 60-70% cooked, turn off the stove. Drain out rice and pour some ice cold water to prevent further cooking. Smells so good, all those spices. And carefully remove the spice holder. Keep aside. Alright, so as you can see, perfectly cooked rice, not overcooked rice. Keep the cooked rice on the side for now. Heat up the pan on a medium to high heat. Add ghee, clarified butter, or oil can be used. From the spice box, add cumin seeds, jeera, add onion, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, haldi, red bell pepper, capsicum, cauliflower, carrot and potato, green peas and green beans. Add or mix vegetables as per your preference. Add a little bit of water and cook all the vegetables. Check the vegetables. Cooking nice. I want to make sure that potatoes are cooked well. So cook a couple of more minutes. Let's check the vegetables again. Alright. Water has evaporated. And let's check how potato is doing. It still needs to be cooked. Add a little bit more water. Cover and let it cook. Alright, so let's check the vegetables. I kept stirring occasionally. Now let's check the potato. Alright, it's done. Looking colorful and nice. At this time, ready to add few more ingredients. Here I have cashew raisins, biryani masala, tandoori masala or red chili powder can be used. Smells amazing here. Now make a well in the center. Add tomato paste and water. Keep the stove on a medium and cook the tomato paste properly. Tomato paste is already cooked. Tomato paste is cooked really well until it thickens, so I usually don't cook tomato paste too much. It's already been cooked for you for long enough. Here I have my homemade fresh yogurt. I'm going to add a little bit of yogurt. Mix really well. And now mix everything together. And cook for a minute or so. Add just a little bit of water again and cook. Let's check. Alright, look at the biryani vegetable masala, looking great. Turn off the stove, and now it's time to assemble biryani. So first layer rice, second layer vegetables, and then garnish with mint and coriander leaves. So the first layer is going to be rice, vegetables, coriander leaves, mint, rice again, vegetables. So just keep layering until you are finished with rice and vegetables. Rice again. Coriander leaves. Hara dhania. Pudina. And smear the masala again with watery gravy. Have kesar, saffron with milk. Just drizzle over the top. You have some fried onion, garnish on top of it. And biryani is ready. So here I have biryani ready. It's time to taste. Bursting with lots of flavors. Amazing. And for lunchbox biryani, take the container, layer the cooked rice, then vegetables, coriander leaves, mint, another layer of rice, and now just keep layering until rice and vegetables are finished. Alright, so here we have our biryani ready. And now to enhance the flavor of biryani, finish cooking the biryani into the tandoor or the oven for about 15 minutes. With mixed vegetable biryani, I am making quick, easy, simple paneer butter masala for bachelors. This recipe was requested by one of my niece who stays in the dorm apartment. So I thought let me share with you all as well. The recipe is not made authentic way, but trust me, it tastes so much like a restaurant. In fact, I started making this simple recipe for myself, for my family, because it tastes just like a restaurant to us. So let's get started. On a medium to high heat, into the wide heavy bottom pot, take ghee, clarified butter or oil can be used. Keep the temperature on a medium. Once ghee is hot enough, add paneer cubes and roast slightly. If desired, you can cook paneer till brown, but in my family we want soft paneer, so just cook for a little bit so that the raw taste of paneer is gone. Alright, so I'm going to take out the paneer into the bowl and keep the temperature on a low to medium now. From the spice box, add cumin seeds, jeera and turmeric powder, haldi. Add tomato paste. If desired, you can chop onion really fine and saute for a little bit, but I'm just going to skip onion into the gravy. And tomato paste is already cooked really well before it is stored into the tin, so just cook for a little bit. Add water, add ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, Punjabi garam masala, tandoori masala or red chili powder can be used. Give everything a really good mix. Tomato paste is very thick, so it makes good amount of gravy. So make sure that you add just enough and not too much of it. As you can see, it is still thick, so I'm going to add more water. And now cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's check the gravy. Alright, so as you can see, the gravy is still thick, but I will add more water later if needed. Before that, ready to add heavy whipping cream, or you can add plain yogurt, but make sure it is not sour. So yogurt or heavy cream, whatever you have available. Mix really well, and as you can see, the color is just like the restaurant gravy and very silky gravy. Simple but very delicious. Look at the color. And since I haven't added like so many stuff in it like onion, I mean, if you puree the onion properly and add, then you can get nice gravy like this, but I just skip onion entirely from this recipe. Look at the yummy looking color. Looks like a butter paneer masala gravy. So as you can see, very simple recipe, bachelors can make easily. Turn off the stove, add paneer cubes in it and coat all the paneer pieces with gravy. So I call this simple paneer recipe bachelors paneer butter masala. The recipe can be made with very limited ingredients. Alright. For spicier gravy, add black pepper, known as calamari. If you have a kasuri methi, you can add into this recipe, but if not, you can just simply leave it out and ready to serve. I'm sure bachelors don't have handi like this, but I need to take pictures, so I'm just going to take out into the serving handi. Garnish with hara dhania, coriander leaves, and serve with onion. And look at this simple, quick curry. Alright, so you saw how quick and easy it is to prepare. If you have just a tomato paste, all it needs just a few more ingredients, which I'm sure many of you keep in your apartment if you are cooking regularly. But I just skipped the onion because I just assume that not a lot of bachelors have all the blenders and stuff like that. So you can entirely skip onion and then serve raw onion, because that's what I need the most. When I serve any kind of curries, onion has to be there. So you can just serve with a raw onion, and trust me, you will absolutely love this curry. Taste just like restaurant curry. As you can see here, silky smooth texture of the gravy with absolutely fantastic flavor. So I highly recommend to try out these recipes of vegetable biryani and paneer butter masala. Whether you are a bachelor or you cook food for your family every day, these are some of the everyday recipes that I prepare almost every week. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen apps totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Amazon, Roku or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.